Hello grade 7. In this video I'm going to complete the explanation of the chapter I have started 2 or 3 days ago. We're going to talk about tides. A tide is the daily rise and fall of sea level. It is primarily the moon's gravity that causes Earth's ocean to rise and fall twice each day. The moon's gravity is slightly stronger on the side of the Earth closer to the moon and slightly weaker on the side of the Earth opposite to the moon. The gravitational differences cause tidal bulges in the oceans on opposite sides of the Earth, as you can see in the two pictures. The high tides are just the closer part of the Earth to the moon, and the low tides are the farthest. This is another definition for tides. It's the alternate rising and falling of the surface of the ocean and the water bodies such as gulfs and bays connected with the ocean that occurs usually twice a day and is the result of differing gravitational forces exerted at different parts of the Earth by another body such as the moon or the sun. Okay, I have low tides and I have high tides. Low tides occur in the area between the two high tides, as you can see. And this is a change in the surface level of Earth's ocean water caused by the effect of the moon's and the sun's gravity on Earth. Now I have two types of tides, spring tide and neap tide. The spring tide happens, in fact, when the sun and the moon are aligned. The high tides are higher and the low tides are lower. So as you can see in the picture, the moon and the sun are on one straight line with the Earth. In this situation, I will have a spring tide. To remember how is the spring tide, just remember that spring is just like straight line. It means they are on one line, the sun, the moon, and the Earth. Now, the second type of tides is the neap tide. When the sun and the moon are at right angles, which is 90 degrees to each other, the high and low tides have the least difference in their tidal range at the shore. To remember that, it's neap, it starts with an N, and I have 90, which is the 90 degrees angles. Look at the picture here. You can see it's as if I have a right angle between the moon, the Earth, and the sun. In this case, I will have what I call a neap tide. So, this is our lesson. This is the end, and thank you very much.